What up, you guys? I am back with another video. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to do a mid fade with a pompadour. Now, I do appreciate you guys for being patient with me. Like I said, you guys, I try my best to bring these videos out as much as I can. But in this video, you guys, I hope all the skills. Look, I swear I can never do a video without GC dancing in the back. But anyways, you guys, enjoy this video. Okay guys, now for every haircut that I do, especially if it's long on top, I always like to wet down the hair just to get an idea of what am I going to be, working with, meaning like, how am I going to style it, what exactly am I going to be able to cut, because you don't want to just get into it just cutting. You want to make sure exactly what you're going to be able to style and also cut. Okay guys, now to start off this mid fade, I'm going to go ahead and start off with my Endless TI liner. Of course, these are cordless, but as you can see guys, I'm creating my first guideline. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and use my wall shavers to bald out my client and to also give it a better look. Okay, so the next step, what I did, I created a second guideline with an open lever, and pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm just trying to keep it really simple by doing this fade, and helping you guys improve your skills, and also by not just staying in one certain spot, by meaning like keeping your client in the chair for so long. Hopefully these steps that I'm gonna demonstrate help you guys improve your skills. Okay guys, now I'm using the 1.5 guard and also created another guideline. Now the only reason why I like to use the 1.5 guard is to make it much easier for me to to do the clip or of a comb and also to do this fade. Okay guys, so now I have an open lever and I'm also using my favorite comb. Now a lot of people ask me like, hey, where do I purchase this comb? If you go on Google and type in 299 flat top comb, I believe there's a website for it, but I don't remember the website, but it's really easy to find. Just type in 299 flat top comb, and I do suggest you get this comb. It's a life changer for me. I mean, I get my job done quicker, and it makes my fades come out more cleaner. Okay guys, so the next step, I grab my 1/16 guard. Now you obviously see that line, right? So I have an open lever with the 1/16 guard, and pretty much what I'm gonna do is soften out this bottom line, you know, and closing the lever little by little. Okay guys, so you're probably wondering exactly, okay, you know, this fade is starting to come out really nice. How are you not really, you know, creating guidelines with using the 1/16 guard, right? So what I'm doing is really flicking out, you know, just by using the corners, you know, and making sure, you know, I don't dig the teeth too much into the skin. And like I said, you guys, I'm just closing the lever little by little, and also you guys making sure that I'm flicking out and not digging the teeth too much into the skin. Okay guys, so you obviously see how on his left side he's receiving more than on his right side. So I did try my best to keep this hairline as natural as possible. Okay guys, so when it comes to doing a straight razor, you always want to make sure you stretch out the skin to get a better and a sharper lineup. So the next step, what I did apply some hair serum to, you know, give it more of an extra volume when it comes to doing the style. Okay guys, well this is the final cut, a mid fade with a pompadour, and of course the beard lineup. I did apply some hair enhancement, and you guys, I really do appreciate for taking the time to watch my video. If you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Alright you guys, till next time.